The field of artificial intelligence, AI, has been rapidly evolving over the past few decades, and it continues to shape and transform various industries across the globe. As AI becomes increasingly integrated into our daily lives, numerous companies have emerged as leaders in this revolutionary technology. In this article, we will explore the top 10 companies that are at the forefront of the AI revolution. Number 1. Google, Alphabet Inc. Google is widely recognized as a pioneer in AI. With its deep learning framework TensorFlow and advancements in natural language processing, Google has made significant contributions to the field. Its products like Google Search, Google Assistant, and Google Photos demonstrate the power of AI in delivering personalized and intelligent experiences. Number 2. Amazon. As one of the world's largest e-commerce companies, Amazon has leveraged AI to enhance its customer experience. The company's AI-driven recommendation system has transformed how people discover products online. Additionally, Amazon's virtual assistant, Alexa, powered by AI, has become a household name, enabling users to interact with their smart devices effortlessly. Number 3. Microsoft has made remarkable strides in AI through its Azure cloud platform. The company's cognitive services, including speech recognition, computer vision, and language understanding, provide developers with powerful tools to integrate AI into their applications. Microsoft's AI initiatives span various domains, such as healthcare, education, and autonomous systems. Number 4. IBM with its cognitive computing platform, IBM Watson, IBM has been at the forefront of AI innovation. Watson's ability to analyze vast amounts of data, understand natural language, and provide actionable insights has revolutionized industries like healthcare and finance. IBM's research division also conducts cutting-edge AI research, pushing the boundaries of the technology further. Number 5. Tesla. While primarily known for its electric vehicles, Tesla has also made significant advancements in AI and autonomous driving. Through its fleet learning technology, Tesla collects data from its vehicles to improve the self-driving capabilities of its cars continually. This approach allows for rapid development and deployment of AI in the automotive industry. Number 6. NVIDIA specializes in developing graphics processing units, GPUs, that have proven to be instrumental in accelerating AI workloads. Their GPUs are widely used in deep learning and AI research, enabling faster training of complex neural networks. NVIDIA's advancements in GPU technology have been vital in driving the progress of AI algorithms. Number 7. Facebook. Facebook's AI efforts are primarily focused on leveraging user data to enhance its social media platform. The company uses AI algorithms to curate personalized news feeds, recognize faces in photos, and provide targeted advertising. Facebook's AI research division, FAIRI, actively contributes to the academic community and pushes the boundaries of AI technologies. Number 8. Apple has embraced AI to improve its products and services. Siri, Apple's virtual assistant, employs AI techniques to understand and respond to user queries. Additionally, Apple's use of machine learning algorithms for tasks like image recognition and natural language processing has enhanced user experiences across its ecosystem of devices. Number 9. OpenAI is an AI research organization with a focus on developing artificial general intelligence, AGI, known for its state-of-the-art language model, GPT-3. OpenAI has made significant strides in natural language understanding and generation. The organization promotes ethical and responsible AI development, emphasizing the importance of safety and beneficial outcomes. Number 10. Baidu. Often referred to as the Google of China, Baidu is a leading AI company that offers a wide range of AI-powered services.